Next subtopic is time. The 24-hour clock and 12, it would be given whatever the question is. So special names. Noon is 12 p.m. Midnight is 12 a.m. or 24 hours. If we start with 00 to 24 hours. Mid is 12. So this is noon, and obviously 00 combines with 24 hours. So that's midnight and midnight. And this is how we represent. Normally, this is a double dot, and we do not write AM PM with 24 hours. Is this basic concept clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You already know this. Okay, write down the following in 24-hour clock format. So these all the AMs stay the same 0800 with this colon, double zeros, double dots. 5:30 stays 0530. Try number 10,
415 0415.
0415 with these two dots. And what will be 11?
0225.
0225. What will be 8?
Uh, 12 45.
22.
22. Yeah, 22.
22:45. Ali, try 7th.
That will be 27,
19.
19.
1940.
Ali, try number 3.
18,
Very good. 18. Haris tried 12th.
Okay. 13.
Very good.
30.
Ali, 15th.
1910.
Ali, see this.
Sorry, 7, 0,
07,
7, 10.
10. Okay, now
Address is
let's see. Let's see what the statements have to say. 2 minutes before midnight. Haris.
2 minutes before midnight. 2 minutes before midnight. Like we have to tell in AM, PM.
No, 24-hour clock.
Oh, okay. 20, 23, 58.
23:58. Good. Ali, 5 minutes before noon.
um, 5 minutes before noon will be 13, 12,
You know what noon is?
17. So 6
Noon
o'clock.
is lunchtime, Zohar time.
Okay, so it will be 11:55.
11:55. Haris, 1 hour after midnight.
1,
13.
13 on midnight.
We are in 24 hours clock.
Oh,
Okay. Ali, 20 minutes after midnight.
Um, 12:20.
12:20. Yes. Haris, 6 minutes after noon.
6 minutes.
Sorry, Ali. Sorry, this is not 12:20. After midnight. This is 00:20.
6 minutes afternoon will be
Midnight was 2400.
12,
Sir,
6.
but sir, then 1 hour after midnight will be 1.
Would be one. Yes,
Because
that is my mistake. Haris was correct. Midnight is actually 2400.
Okay, sir.
So 6 minutes after noon.
12:06.
12:06. 17th. 2.5 hours before midnight.
Um, 2.5 hours before, 2.5 hours before midnight. 21:30.
Very good. 3 hours and half hour after noon. 3.5 hour after noon.
3.5 hours. So 15. 30.
15:30 is right. 1 hour, 1.5 hour before noon.
1.5 hours. Um, 10:30.
5 hours before midnight.
5 hours before midnight. 19.
Correct. 50 minutes after midnight.
Um, it will be 0:50.
That is yes, 0:50. Okay, reverse. Write the following in 12-hour clock format. So one thing we decide, whatever is less than 12 stays the same. Like this is just AM. And what will be 39? Like with one dot as well. 07.00 AM. And 39 will be
7. 7 p.m.
07:07 AM. See, PM will be when it crosses 12.
Oh, yes, yes.
If we see 43, this is crossing 12. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So this will be 3:45 PM. Ali, what is 38?
Uh, it will be 4 4 a.m.
4 AM. R is 32.
32. 9:10 a.m.
9:10 AM. Ali, 28.
11:20 11:20 a.m.
AM. R is 40.
40. 13. 1:13
And what?
p.m.
PM. Ali, question number 30.
Uh, 20, 30, it will be 8 08:30
No, sir, it's
p.m.
7:30.
R is 20 minus 12
Oh, oh,
is 8. So 8:30 PM. R is 31.
31. 31. 9:15 p.m.
9:15 PM. Ali, number 42.
42, 12, 30 p.m.
PM. Haris 44.
44, 44, 720.
Try again.
uh, Oh, 420.
That is 4:20 PM. Ali 27.
20, 19, 30, it will be 19, 7:30
Correct. Ali, are you feeling well?
p.m. Yes, sir. I'm good.
I can feel the tiredness in your voice.
Also, गला थोड़ा खराब है.
Okay. Haris 35.
Yes, sir. 7.
Again.
20. Oh, 8 p.m.
8 PM. Haris 34.
34, 11, 10 p.m.
11:10 PM. Yes. Okay. Time intervals. Do you have your calculator with you right now?
Yes,
Scientific
sir.
calculator right now. Okay,
Yes, sir.
first we will practice some questions in a normal way, what it should be. Then I'll tell you a trick with calculator, and you can always use that to know during the exam if your answer is correct.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, we have to be very sure in 24-hour clock, there's no mistake. In 12-hour clock, we need to check very clearly that this is AM to PM or PM to AM because it crosses through 12. Suppose I say morning 10 to 4 p.m., 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So difference between these two is through the 12-hour clock. Let me write it 3. So if someone subtracts 10 and 3, they will get 7, which is wrong. So clock morning 10, it will pass through 12, then it will pass till 3. So basically 10 to 12 are 2 hours and 12 to 3 are 3 hours. So there are total 5 hours. This is what 12-hour clock. And whenever we have 24-hour clock, there is no confusion and we can just subtract the larger value from smaller value from larger value. So difference between these two is 21, 20, and I'm subtracting 20 and 10. So we subtract the minutes, I get 10. We subtract the hours, I get 1. So the difference is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now let me find where I have to take a carry. Yeah, in question number 3. So bigger time is 23:10 and the smaller time is 22:15. Now see, 15 is actually larger than 10. I would need a carry. If I subtract this 10 and get there 9, this is now 0. Sorry, that's 10. Basically, what I'm trying to show is when you take carry from the R side, 60 goes on the other side. 10 minus 5 is 5, 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is 55 minutes between these two. So when you take carry from R side to minute side, 60 goes on the other side, not 1. Now I'm sending a picture in group. Mm, There you go. Can you find this button on your calculator?
Yes, sir, I know.
Yes, sir.
This is the trick button. Okay. Now you press it once, it will count that as hour. You press it again, it will count that as minute. You press it again, it will count that as second. For example, we type this same question, question number 3. So type on your calculator, write 23 and press that button once. Done.
Yes, the degree
Then
sign will appear.
press 10 and press that button again. Done.
Yes.
Calculator would show you 23 degree, 10 degree. Now press minus and press 22 dot and 15 dot and see what do you get.
0 degree 55.
Yeah, this is basically 0 hours, 55 minutes and 0 seconds.
Oh, yes.
So you can quickly check your answers. Now directly try question number 5 using calculator.
Question 5. Okay, 20. Uh, 3 hours and 20 minutes and 0 seconds.
3 hours and 20
Minute.
minutes. We're not going in seconds for this format. So you see, you can use this trick in exam, but definitely you need to know the right way. You have to show the working. This is a structured exam, okay?
Yes.
And when you're dealing with 12 hours, be careful with AM and PM. If both are PM, straight away subtract them. If both are AM, straight away subtract them. If it is going from AM to PM, know that it will cross 12. So after 12, whatever it is, that is straight away the time. Before 12, what is it is, we have to find the difference between 12 and 10. For example, I'll take the same question again. 10, I wrote 10 first, and then I wrote 3 p.m. We know it is passing through 12. So these are 2 hours, and then these are 3 hours. So in total, 5 hours. Now I'm changing a bit, so we'll have to think about it. Let's say this is 10 hours and 17 minutes, and this is 3:12 p.m. Now I have 12 in between. So if definitely I would do it with a proper way, I'll show you. But in calculator, I'm punching 12 minus 10, 17, and every time I press a dot with them. So I'm getting 143. So that was quick. 143, and on the other hand, that is 312. So we know 3 hours 12 minutes, 1 hour 43 minute. I can add them. I can also add them using calculator and same buttons. But this is easy that I can do directly in less time. 3 2 is 5, 4 4 is 5, and that is 5. So this is 4 hours and 55 minutes. So 4 hour 55 minute. And how will we do it when we have to show the working in exam? So that is basically 12 minus 10, 17. I'm taking a carry. This is 11. 60 goes on the other side. And 60 minus 17 is 43. And 11 minus 10 is 1. So 0, 143 already. And from 12 to 3, 12. That is already 3 hours and 12 minutes. And now you can still add them to get the same answer. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. So for now, definitely we need to do it the structured way because we have to show the working. During exam, you can use this button and quickly check if you got the correct answer. Even before solving, you can see what the answer is and then do the working. So for now, just try question number. Let's try few parts. Hmm. It's actually getting messy selecting those questions. I think let's do them in order, few of them. I was looking if the, yeah, I found it. The second number is AM PM. So let's try 10, 12, 15, and these two. So try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try them the proper way. If you don't get it, I'll do with you with the working. Meanwhile, I'm writing answers as well. Let me know when you're done with these 5 questions. These 5.
Yes, sir, I understand, but I'm not getting the same as for question 10. I'm getting
Okay.
5 hours 65.
565. Let's check. Maybe I have a different answer. So
I
this
check.
is 1745 already
Yes.
and 2310 already. Both are in 24 hours, so we can directly subtract them.
Oh,
2310 and 1745. Basically, there's no confusion of passing through 12.
okay.
So 45 is larger. I need to have a carry. This is 22. I'm sending 60 minutes on the other side, so that's 70. Although we can still take carry from 7 to 0, but that's not a very big number. So we know 70 minus 45 is going to give us 25, and 22 minus 17 is 5.
Oh, okay, sir.
Ali beta, how many left out of these 5?
Sir, I'm done with 4. I
Okay,
have one left.
okay. Do the last one as well.
Yes, sir, and I got the same answer.
Very good. Let's see what we have in the next subtopic and do try many of these parts. This is a very scoring topic. Exercise 3.5, here is a timetable for train from Florence to Rome. Use it to answer question 1 to 12. We have this timetable, and question 1 says, how long does it take the 710 from Florence 710 is this, to travel to Pontici, okay. So difference between these two is clearly 25 minutes. Second says from Florence to this point, again 55 minus 10 is 45 minutes. Third one is, you seen this. Now I have to write a little, I cannot do it mentally. 7, 10. So 16 minus 10 is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1. So that would take 1 hour and 6 minutes. Try question number 2. Can you figure that out?
Yes, sir.
RS question 2.
Yes, sir.
That's a very quick question. At how many stations does 11:35 from Florence? So this is 11:35 at Florence. How many
One,
stations does it stop? 1, 2, 3,
two,
4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
There was no working.
Yes,
That was just counting.
yes, that was good.
Question number 3. At what time does 8:35 from Florence reach Arezzo?
So 9:54.
9:54. Yes. Stay confident. Why is the voice shaking?
Yes,
This was just the read of question. Question number 4. If you had to be in Rome by 15:30, so I'm looking at Rome and I have to be there at 15:30. So whatever I do, I'm not selecting this path. This is after 15:30. So I can reach earlier. I can choose these three, but I cannot be late. Okay.
yes, sir.
So we have to be at Rome. This is not our choice. Which train would you catch from Florence?
First, second.
So yes, you can catch this. You will be before that point and this. So I will basically catch this 11:35. Why
Yes,
so?
sir, 11:35.
Because it's nearer that three.
Yes, that's closest.
Yeah, closest.
Obviously, all three of them are before 15:30. But if you reach at 10, you'll have to wait like 5 hours and 3 minutes. So we can choose 11:35 and reach at 5:18, few minutes before the required time. Okay, question number 5 says you arrive at Florence at 8:20. You arrive at Florence at 8:20. How long do you have to wait for the next train to Rome?
Yes, teacher. Eight. Uh, 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Why, Haris?
Because we'll minus 820 with 70.
No, 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 no. Haris, you arrive at Florence at 8:20. You reached that train station and the time is 8:20.
Oh, okay.
How long will you wait for the train and you have to reach Rome?
Oh,
So the next train is at 8:35. When the train will come, you can sit on that train and you can reach Rome.
oh, okay.
So from 8:20 to 8:35, you have to wait 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay.
Question number 6. Try this.
12:52.
Correct. It was on time at 42. So when it's 10 minutes late, this is 12:52. Question number 7. How long does it take the 11:35 from Florence to Arizona? I'll highlight so it's easy to see. 11:35 Arizona and then Orivito and then Rome. So first one, how long? Second one, how long? And third one, how long?
uh, 1 hour and wait, no. Uh, First from Florence to Arezzo, it takes 1 hour and
1 hour and
42 minutes.
42 minutes is correct. And second, please try
Second,
it the way you will be doing in exam. 1407 minus 1135. So we take carry. This is 13. 60 goes on the other side. 67. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 13 minus 11 is 2. So 2 hours and 32 minutes. Last one.
and Rome is 3 hours and 34 minutes.
That is correct. 3 hours, 34 minutes. Question number 8.
Sir, two, two, sir, two,
2 is correct. Question number 9. At what time does 12:21 train from Fig line 12:21 is this? Reach Orvieto. Orvieto. That is easy. I will do this. At what time? It reaches at 14:07 from Fig line to Orvieto. Try question number 10. But that is on again just reading. Question number 8. No working, nothing.
yes, sir, 10, 9:21,
9:21 is correct. So Rome and Fig line. This is Fig line. This is Rome, and we have to reach by 12. So definitely, last two are not the options, and the closest time should be this, or else we will be waiting since 10:27. So
yes,
yes,
sir,
09:21 is correct. Okay. Try to solve these remaining 5 questions in your free time, and we'll discuss if you face any problems. Anything you would like to ask out of this or this exercise or the last one?
mm, no, sir,
No, sir.
This is 35.3.5a. Do try few more questions. 3.5b,
yeah,
few like four parts maybe, and then these 5. Okay. Don't
yes,
forget to
sir,
do that. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
okay.